Par 3, 185 to the pin. Another elevated tee. Water all along the right side. Let's see if we can make some magic happen here. Oh man, I'm over the water on the right side. We are pin high, but it's tough. Pin is right in front. I just want to get it right on the green and let it trickle down. No, settle, 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 settle. Oh, that is good. Boom. Not bad. I guess the punch greens helped because I thought that thing was going to keep going. All right, par. Everything is going right towards that water down there. I'll be a little careful. Think about it too much. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Boy, I've been on this par train. Let's go.